Hi guys, Peter here, Alps Water Filters, and today we're going to go through the process of prepping and looking after our ceramic dome. When you first get your ceramic dome, we've covered the video on how to prep it. It will look beautiful and white like this. After a month or so, you'll start to see the condition begins to change and you'll actually see it getting quite nasty looking, and actually this is quite reasonable. It gets quite dark brown and almost very frightening. Our customers are inclined at this point to get in there and give it a scrub. They wanted to make it looking bright, white, clean like this. And guys, this is not necessary. The function of the ceramic dome is not to look pretty and white. The function of the ceramic dome is to actually filter all the rubbish, and it's a good reminder of what we've all been drinking if we're not using a filter. So all these, the rust, the grime, the dirt, the rubbish that comes through our taps is amazing. When you see it getting dark like this, you'll understand why we use the ceramic dome, even before it gets to our 6-stage filter cartridge. So now the ceramic dome should last you 6 months, but that is determined on how often you scrub it. Like I said, there's no need, if water is going through your ceramic dome and coming down, if it's emptying within a 2-hour period, leave it alone. Doesn't matter how dark it gets, leave it alone. The only time we want to scrub the ceramic dome is when it restricts water flow. When you're finding that it's taking 3 hours for your top water fountain to empty the water all the way through, okay, now we know there's so much gunk around the ceramic dome. Now is the time to actually give it a clean. And again, non-scratch scourer, so it has to be non-scratch. Get it with hot water, get it nice and soft. Get your ceramic dome wet and start with gentle, light pressure. The key word here is gentle scrub. If you scrub it so hard that once you put it back on and the water is emptying within half an hour, you know you've damaged it. It's no longer cleaning or filtering down to 0.2 of a micron. So you need a new ceramic dome. There are some places, some suburbs in Australia that there's a lot of rubbish coming through the water. They need to scrub it every 3-4 weeks in which case you'll be going through 2 ceramic domes in 6 months. But let's supposing the water quality coming through your tap is quite reasonable and you've only scrubbed it 3 times in 6 months. That's the ideal. 3 times is about as much as you can scrub it in a 6-month period. If you scrubbed it more than that, you need to replace it. If you've only scrubbed it once in a 6-month period, yes, your ceramic dome can then last you 12 months. But if you scrubbed it more than 3 times in 6 months, you need to change your ceramic dome. It's quite simple. That's it. Thank you.